In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a website on Webflow. Whether you're a rookie web designer or someone looking to get their creative ideas online, understanding how to publish your Webflow site is fundamental. We're going to break it down into clear steps so you can navigate it with confidence and ease. First, let's talk about hosting. In Webflow, before you can publish your site, you'll need to select a hosting plan. This step is crucial as it essentially allows your website to be accessible on the internet. Webflow offers a variety of hosting plans depending on your needs and budget, so take a moment to choose the one that fits your project best. If you're unsure which option to decide on, Webflow provides detailed comparisons of each plan, which should guide you in making your selection. Now, if you want your website to appear on a custom domain, you'll need to connect it. This means instead of default Webflow URLs, your visitors can type in a domain name of your choice. This step is optional but highly recommended if you're aiming for a professional presence online. To do this, you'll access the domain settings within your Webflow account. Here, you can add your custom domain and follow the prompts to configure it with your domain registrar. This process might involve tweaking some DNS settings, so don't hesitate to check out Webflow's tutorials or support articles if you need more guidance along the way. After you have connected your domain, it's time to make your site live. In the Webflow Designer, look toward the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the Publish button. Clicking this will present you with the option to choose the domain you wish to publish to. It's important to select the correct domain here, especially if you've connected multiple domains to your project. Once you've confirmed your choice, click Publish and voila, your site is live. But we're not quite done yet. After publishing, it's critical to thoroughly test your live site. Navigate through every page, making sure all links work, forms are functioning properly, and the layout appears as expected across different devices. This inspection is your opportunity to catch any last-minute issues before your audience does. Finally, set up analytics to track your site's performance. Integrating tools like Google Analytics can provide insights into visitor behavior, helping you understand what's working and what's perhaps not. Analytics can be a treasure trove of information to improve your site over time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to publish a website on Webflow easily and effectively. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.